Hi, today is week 4 of my Sunday roadside flower stand. I'd like to show you what we have this week. All of the flowers are grown in my garden. So this week we have Lysianthus, we have dahlias, lemon verbena, and my little sunflowers, and also my yellow statice. So tell me what you think. You know, I do value the feedback that you give me. My hope is that when the person that purchased this, when they get home, they'll just take all the flowers out and then arrange them in their own little vases and, jars or whatever. All right. So this is bouquet number 1. I make at least 4, and I try to make them a little different. So here is bouquet number 2. Look at these dahlias. Look at that. And the Lysianthus. So now this week I wrapped them because you gave me feedback and you said, hey Martha, wrap them. So this week I'm trying to just test which bouquets seem to appeal to my customers more, wrapped or unwrapped. And then here's bouquet number 3. Look at that. I love this lemon verbena. It's so airy. You know, lemon verbena is actually an herb. You can take the little leaves and make tea. Yeah, we have dahlia, sunflowers, Lysianthus, my yellow statice. I wish you could smell this bouquet. And we have bouquet number 4. This is Sweet Natalie, I believe. I had one blush dahlia. So again, we have dahlias, sunflowers, and Lysianthus. So in the comments below, let me know what you think. Ta-da! You know, it really is all about love. I know sometimes we say, oh no, it's not about love, it's not about love. Yes, it is. When it comes to my flowers and my garden, it is all about love. Do you feel that way too? I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful Sunday, and I'll see you next week. Bye, Martha from Monterey Bay, Zone 10, California. Enjoy your day. Much love. Bye-bye.